Imagine standing right here at the corner of EDSA Magallanes, corner Chino Rosas Avenue, Makati City, one of the most strategic and busiest intersection here in Metro Manila. And this exact junction connects north to Quezon City and Ortigas, south to Moa Pasay Alabang, direct entry to Makati Central Business District, and direct access to South Luzon Expressway and Skyway. And right across Vion Tower is Alpalan Southgate Mall, which directly connects you to MRT Magallanes Station, your effortless travel around Metro Manila. This is not just central. This is a true transit-oriented development location. And very few developments in Makati sit exactly where major highway, business road, and rail transit intersect. This is a transport convergence point, the Makati's most connected address and the newest addition to Makati Skyline, and Megaworld's first smart home condominium. This is Vion Tower and Vion West Makati. Good morning, everyone. This is me again, Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Megaworld Alpha. And by the way, I'm here right now sa game room ng Vion West Tower. So as you can see, no, grabe, ang ganda lang because right now, to give you an update, na-turnover na po ang 11 up to 20th floor sa Vion Tower. Yes po, and for Vion West, good news sa mga clients na nakabili na. This coming March na po, magi-start ang turnover sa Vion West Tower, no? And sa mga clients po na nakabili na, be excited kasi as you can see, dito sa game room na to, located in Vion West Tower, meron ng mga nagpapabook na gumagamit nito. In fact, one of my clients nagpa-schedule na dito. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na currently, no, sa mga excited mag-move in and nakabili na, no, sa mga clients na nagbabank finance na malapit na po itong matapos, especially sa mga high floor. And sobrang excited lang akong i-share sa inyo kung gaano nakaganda and nag-ooperate na itong Vion West Tower. And sa mga clients po na hindi pa nakakabili, I just want to give you an update regarding the promo terms nitong si Vion Tower and Vion West Makati. So I'm very excited to announce you na this February 2026, meron pong 5% down payment, you can already move in. Yes po, you heard it right. With only 5% down payment promo or list to own promo, or for as low as 387,000 down payment with 19,000 per month with annual lump sum, you can have already your unit here either in Vion Tower or Vion West Makati. And bibigyan namin kayo ng 4 years or 40 months installment at 0% interest. So, before we dive down to that topic, no, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo why Vion Tower is one of the most connected address dito sa Makati in all existing condo. So, nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na this location is one of the most busiest intersection in Metro Manila. And sa mga clients, no, na hindi pa updated, very few developments lang kasi in Makati sit exactly where a major highway, business road, and rail transit intersect. And dito sa Metro Manila, there are a lot of busy intersection such as Ayala Avenue and EDSA, Ayala Avenue and Makati Avenue. Or in BGC, meron naman tayong 32nd Street, 7th Avenue. Sa Pasay naman, meron tayong EDSA Taft Avenue and Rojas Boulevard, EDSA. And no, itong mga intersection na to, kung mapapansin nyo, these intersections, nandito ang mga major businesses, offices, landmarks, and all I can say, this is the only intersection in Makati where MRT and PNR intersect. This Vion Tower location, which is situated along EDSA Magallanes, corner Chino Rosas Avenue, Makati, is the only interchange here in Makati or the only intersection na may PNR rail line and MRT3 Magallanes Station interchanger. Yes po, you heard it right. Ang maganda lang dito sa location ni Vion West Tower, later ipapakita ko sa inyo yung babang mall niya na may direct access dito sa PNR EDSA station. Later, we will dive down into that topic because ipapakita ko sa inyo yung North-South Commuter Railway na project ng ating government where nirehab na po ang PNR and soon to be partially open this 2027. And sa mga clients po na nakatira dito sa Vion Tower and Vion West, you can have an access going to the Clark, Pampanga and going to the south of Calamba, Laguna. So guys, let's expand outward muna dun sa presentation ng location. So as you can see dito sa Google Map, if a-flash ko na lang sa screen, as you can see in macro perspective, via EDSA and McKinley Road or Lawton Avenue or Kalayaan, from Vion Tower, pwede tayong makatawid going to BGC or Bonifacio Global City in about 15 minutes. And kung gusto naman natin pumunta ng SM Mall of Asia, Entertainment City and Bay Area offices, it will only take you 15 to 20 minutes via EDSA or via Skyway. And then of course, if you want to go to Makati CBD naman, you are just one station away from Magallanes Station to Ayala Station or about 5 to 10 minutes drive lang. This means residents are positioned between three major central business districts, Makati CBD, BGC, and Pasay area. And very few condos lang can claim access to all these three within 20 minutes. Now, let's talk about the daily convenience. Within 5 to 10 minutes, nasa core ka na ng Makati CBD via Magallanes Station and Ayala Station. So as you can see dito sa ating rail map, tinatawag itong pangunahing entertainment at pinakamahabang shopping stretch sa Ayala Center. Dahil magkakadugtong ang One Ayala, SM Makati, Glorieta, The Landmark at Greenbelt sa pamamagitan ng elevated covered walkway. Hindi mo na kailangan tumawid ng kalsada dahil tuloy-tuloy ang lakaran sa loob ng mga mall at pedestrian bridges. Bahagi ito ng malawak na pedestrian network ng Makati, kabilang ang De La Rosa Elevated Walkway, na may mahabang humigit kumulang 1.1 kilometro, isa sa pinakamahabang elevated walkway sa Pilipinas. So imagine, from Vion Tower, which is right here, you can just ride the MRT Magallanes Station. Nasa Ayala Station ka na, one station away. And in that Ayala Station, ando na si One Ayala, SM Makati, Glorieta, Greenbelt, Landmark, magkakadugtong na doon yung entertainment and shopping capital. And the good thing, kung napapansin nyo, ito yung magiging mall natin dito kay Vion Tower. And the good news, this mall will be soon to connect sa PNR ng EDSA Station and sa MRT Magallanes Station dito sa Alpalan Southgate Mall via proposed elevated walkway. So ito, proposed pa lang po, but then pwede naman tayo mag-across. Pero ang maganda lang kasi dito sa mall na to, this is soon to be connected to these rail lines. And of course, hindi pa dyan kasama yung mga nasa expressway na easy ramp access. So right now naman, nandito tayo sa shops ng Vion Tower and Vion West Makati. So as you can see, naka-board up na ang mga upcoming tenants, especially dito sa mall ng Vion Tower and Vion West, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga groceries and other shops for the necessities ng mga unit owners natin. And as you can see, itong area na to, it's very private and very secured because may mga matataas na walls dito, all throughout up to here. So, very secured po yung mga unit owners and magiging tenants nitong building. And of course, sa mga mahilig mag-bike na mga unit owners and tenants, meron na rin tayong mga bike parkings dito, And kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, again, this location, sobrang lapit niya lang sa PNR rail line. And ang maganda lang kasi dito sa Vion Tower, again, itong mall na to, the whole ground floor, all will be shops, necessities, groceries, yung mga medical needs like yung mga Watsons, and syempre yung mga fast food na kailangan natin pag need lang natin ng quick na food, Ang ganda lang kasi naka-ready na siya for future opening. This area is also the heart of Makati CBD. Multinational headquarters, embassies, corporate towers, financial institutions are based. For working professional, this means shorter commute, lower transport costs, higher rental demand, strong capital appreciation potential. So grabe guys, no, as you can see, once you live here in Vion Tower and Vion West, your accessibility dito sa entertainment area, sa shopping area, sobrang convenient niya. Especially po sa mga OFW clients natin na dreaming to have a residence here in Makati, or yung mga anak nyo na mag-aaral dito sa Metro Manila, or maybe you're a worker here in Makati, BGC and Pasay, looking for your own resident or your dream condo dito. All I can say, sobrang good deal and panalo na magkaroon kayo ng address, especially dito sa Vion Tower, the most connected address in Makati. Now, let's talk about mobility seriously. So behind me, as you can see, is actually the South Luzon Expressway and the Skyway Stage 3. So with that project, from Vion, may direct access ka to sa SLEX, and through Skyway Stage 3, connected ka na all the way to North Luzon Expressway or NLEX. Skyway Stage 3 is an 18-kilometer long elevated toll expressway that directly connects South Luzon Expressway or SLEX in Makati City to North Luzon Expressway NLEX in Quezon City. It runs above major city roads to create a fast north or south route across Metro Manila. Why it matters? Really cuts travel time. From around 2 to 3 hours via regular road, about 20 to 30 minutes between NLEX and SLEX, helps decongest major thoroughfares such as EDSA, C5, Quezon Avenue, and other by providing an alternative elevated corridor for thousands of vehicles daily. Together with Skyway Stage 1 and 2, the entire Skyway system spans around 38 km of elevated expressway. Imagine you are just beside this massive expressway. You are literally positioned in midpoint of Luzon's major highway system. So guys, no, considering most of the CBD residents, especially in Makati, BGC, and Pasay, yung mga condominiums na nandoon sa loob ng CBDs, they really want nakadikit nila itong mga expressway na to. Dahil most of them, of course, may mga bahay or may mga primary homes sa mga probinsya nila. Pero the good thing, no, itong si Vion Tower, especially during the holiday and in worst traffic days, no, itong si Vion Tower, siya yung isa sa may pinaka-short travel time just to proceed dito sa mga major expressways natin. And ang nakakatuwa dito, some of the residents inside the CBDs, no, dahil nandoon at mas congested doon sa loob ng mga CBD area, mas nagtitake time sila just to go dito sa mga ramp ng mga expressway natin. And nakaka-proud lang kasi si Vion Tower, malapit ka sa CBD area or you are almost part of the CBD area, pero kadikit mo lang itong major expressway natin. All I can say, this location is one of the Makati's most connected address. And this is where Vion Tower becomes extremely strategic. It is positioned not just near the current transit line, but it's positioned within Metro Manila rail network backbone. So alam naman natin na once you're connected sa mga MRT stations, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, just like the MRT Magallanes Station, it's your gateway to effortless travel within the entire Metro Manila. Yes po, you heard it right. As you can see, if a-flash ko sa map, yung Metro Manila rail lines natin, from here, you can easily go to different parts of Metro Manila via MRT, LRT Line 1, LRT Line 2 interchange, and these are existing lines na and hindi pa kasama dito ang future rail lines. Imagine from Vion Tower, pwede kang makatravel in 20 minutes from Makati, Ortigas, Cubao up to Quezon Avenue Station to North Avenue Station. Or go to University Belt of Manila via LRT Line 1 from EDSA Taft Station up to Quirino Station, Pedro Hill, United Nations, Central, up to Balintawak, Roosevelt, or North Triangle. Or go to other side of Metro Manila or east side of Metro Manila via LRT Line 2 from Doroteo Jose, Legarda, up to Santolan, Marikina Pasig Station to Antipolo Rizal. Or even visit Cavite via LRT Line 1 Cavite Extension from Baclaran to Mia or Asia World Station to Las Piñas, Zapote up to Niog Station in Cavite. And other parts of Metro Manila, all I can say, this is really the Makati's most connected address. At hindi lang yon, Meron pang future mega rail transit project na magiging extremely strategic itong si Vion Tower. Ito ang Metro Manila Subway with 33-kilometer underground line from Valenzuela to NAIA Terminal 3, integrated with LRT and MRT and future rail network. This Metro Manila Subway is expected to be partially operational by around 2028 and 2029, dramatically improving airport, CBD, and east-west mobility across the metropolis. Ang next naman na massive infrastructure natin is the North-South Commuter Railway or PNR-NSCR. Ito ay 147-kilometer elevated railway linking Clark, Pampanga, Metro Manila, and Calamba, Laguna. So guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na bagong project natin. And trains will drastically cut travel times up and down to corridor. Partial operations expected as early as 2027 with the goal of Metro Manila service restoration by 2028 and 2029 as NSCR replaces and upgrades the old PNR commuter line. Once NSCR is operational, residents from Vion Tower can ride rail to San Fernando, Angeles, or Clark, Pampanga, all the way to the south to Alabang, Muntinlupa, San Pedro, Cabuyao up to Calamba, Laguna, or NAIA via subway integrated connections. This is a true transit-oriented development positioning where massive infrastructure meets prime residential location. So guys, no, grabe, wala akong masabi. As you can see dito sa Metro Manila Rail Transit System natin, currently operational na yung mga MRT 3 Line 1 and 2 natin and yung pinakabagong LRT Line 1 Cavite Extension na from here, you can actually travel to Cavite. Sa mga clients naman natin ng mga retirees or sa mga, of course, no, even the young professionals, sobrang lapit lang din natin sa mga medical institution or the top hospitals dito sa Pilipinas, especially the Makati Medical Center and the St. Luke's Medical Center in BGC. These two are one of the best or top tier hospitals ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Vion Tower and Vion West Makati are not just condominiums. They are positioned at major highway artery, at 3 CBD midpoint, a rail convergence hub, near international airport, and accessibility to hospitals, schools, and malls. In real estate, accessibility drives demand and demand drives values. Imagine after 4 years, once fully operational na ang PNR upgrades natin and major rail upgrades with subway integration and infrastructure completed, imagine the potential value appreciation of this Vion Tower and Vion West Makati. Grabe talaga, ang swerte lang kasi sa mga makakabili right now ng lease to own promo terms namin with only 5% down payment to move in or for as low as 387,000 cash out with 19,000 per month payable in 40 months at 0% interest with annual lump sum, or maybe after 4 years, bago mo pa siya i-bank loan, kumita ka na. Transit-based corridors historically outperform isolated luxury developments over time, and this location is built around mobility, infrastructure, and economic flow. Vion Tower is a strategic real estate. This is a future-ready investing. This is an infrastructure-backed appreciation. If you're interested in this property, you may contact me in my number below, +63977 4300276. You can contact me in my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage, or direct message me in my Facebook account, Fred Patricio Del Rosario, or my business email, freddy.megaworld@gmail.com. So guys, ayan, grabe, no? As you can see, I hope, no, napakita ko sa inyo why Vion Tower and Vion West Makati is the most connected address dito sa Central Business District ng Makati. And I hope, no, nakatulong ako na magbigay sa inyo ng mga ideas and suggestions and best payment terms. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, this February, we now offer 5% down payment. You can already move in. Or for as low as 387,000 with 19,000 payable in 40 months at 0% interest. Yes po, no? Itong payment terms natin na ito, again, after 4 years, na mas mataas pa yung value ng property natin. All I can say, it's a win-win situation sa mga local or OFW clients. Either your hard-earned money na nasa bank lang na gusto nyong ilagay sa future nyo, especially kung gusto nyo ng passive income for rental or even personal use na magkaroon kayo ng Makati address or Metro Manila residence. All I can say, this is the best decision you can make this 2026. Sa mga workers ng Metro Manila, especially in Makati, BGC and Pasay, or itong intersection na ito na may mabilis na access, ito na yung pinaka main residence nyo sa Metro Manila, and tutuparin natin yung dream natin na yan. And iba pa rin naman kasi talaga yung pakiramdam na meron tayong residence, especially dito sa Metro Manila, na hindi ka na nangungupahan or hindi ka na tumitira either sa relatives mo. So, sa mga nangangarap and nagpaplano na magkaroon ng property dito, this is now the best offer that you can get. Again, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope with the infrastructure developments, train connectivity, proximity sa Makati CBD, proximity sa mga hospitals, schools, sa mga clients na ito talaga yung hanap, this is your chance to own the Metro Manila residence or the Makati address. Again, this is Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Megworld Alpha, and always remind you sa mga OFWs natin dyan around the world, sa mga local buyers natin dyan, no matter how life takes you, home will always be the Philippines. Thank you, good night, and see you tomorrow.